Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with the 5th chapter of class 8, more on Photoshop CC. In this chapter I have discussed all the important tools and their function and their use in and all the objectives like fill in the blanks and true false. And today going to continue with the MCQ questions. Which key is pressed on the keyboard to define a source point while using the healing brush tools? Answer is Alt key. Which key help us to move the image while image is zoomed in? A space bar key. Answer is a space bar key. And third one, which tools is used to create a smooth strokes for foreground color? Answer is brush tools. And fourth question, which option used to position the letter or the text to different shape? Answer is create wrap text. And because wrapping used to position the letter or the text in the different shape. And which tools used to move the zoomed picture within the windows? Answer is hand tools. Sixth question, during the image adjustment, which option is used to change the intensity of the color of an image? कोई भी कलर यदि ज़्यादा चुभता है तो उसका इंटेंसिटी जो है उसको कैसे आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं? तो आंसर इज कलर सेटिंग. दीज आर द MCQ क्वेश्चंस of this chapter. Now question is, what is the use of painting tools and name any 5 painting tools? Painting tools क्या है और इसका 5 painting tools का नाम बताइए. यूज ऑफ पेंटिंग टूल्स. आंसर इज पेंटिंग टूल्स यूज फॉर आर्ट वर्क एंड रिटचिंग ऑफ इमेज. पेंटिंग टूल्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे कब? कोई भी आर्ट वर्क्स के लिए. और रिटचिंग ऑफ इमेज, नया एक टच देना किसी भी इमेज के लिए पेंटिंग टूल्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. और पेंटिंग टूल्स 5 प्रकार का पेंटिंग टूल्स जैसे है वो कौन कौन हो सकता है? फर्स्ट, ब्रश टूल्स, pencil tools, color replacement tools, and retouching tools, history brush tools, gradient tools. These are the tools which is very important for in the painting, and it gives the artwork and retouching the image. And next question is differentiate between the spot healing brush tools and healing brush. Spot healing brush tools help us to repair imperfection. Healing brush tools are also work in a similar manner. The only difference between spot healing brush tools and healing brush tools is that in the latter we have to define a source point and then paint over an imperfection. Press Alt key and click on the image to define a source point. So these are the differentiate between spot healing brush tools and healing brush tools. Next day I will continue with the third question of this chapter. What is the use of the hue and saturation dialog box? Thank you. Have a nice day.